Hey guys, welcome to Top 10 Monkeys, made by me. Yeah, so let's go. I don't know what else to say. For number 10, we have this fat monkey. It's so fat that it's almost the entire screen. Like, very funny. And for number 9, we have this smiling monkey. It's kinda creepy. Very scary. For number 8, we have this one. It's small. What a cool monkey. Number 7, we have this monkey. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah. For number 6, we have. For number 5, we have this monkey. Uh, I don't know why it's low quality, but it looks kinda grumpy. Maybe it's because it's low quality, I don't know. For number 4, we have this monkey. It's gaming. Yeah. What a cool gaming monkey. For number 3, we have the monkey with cool pants. I call it the pant monkey because it's very cool and has pants. For number 2, we have the monkey. No, not the monkey. The monkey with the banana. It's eating a banana. It's a cool banana and a monkey, yeah. For honorable mentions, we have Joe. For number 1, we have the monkey.